I'm currently trying to build a low buck redneck EFI system for my friend's slant 6 in his A100 pickup. Trying to build a 2-barrel EFI throttle body. What I did was I took an old Holly carburetor, took the fuel bowl and fuel block off of it, machined a aluminum block to go on the side, and bored some injector pockets in it. And then this is the fuel rail for it. I want to pressure test it here, make sure it's going to hold the pressure involved, and so we don't have any nasty surprises later. This is a piece of fuel rail I had left over from a race car project several years ago, and I just cut it off to length and tapped the ends for fuel line fittings and a gauge, and bored some pockets for the fuel injectors to go in. And so I'm going to throw it in this bucket of water and pressure it up and make sure it's going to hold the pressure. Now, here we go. I've got it hooked up to my nitrogen bottle here, and got the regulator cranked down to 0, so we'll start adding a little pressure to it and make sure it's going to hold. That's about 50 or 60 pounds. That's operating pressure. So far so good. Let's see, let's crank it up a little higher here. I get my camera to focus. 75 or 100. So far so good. 125, 150. 150, 175, and 200 pounds. And nary a bubble anywhere. I saw a couple little bubbles. I think they were just trapped in the cavity there. I'm not seeing anything right there. That's 2.5 times the working pressure, so if it'll hold that on air, I think it'll be fine for our purposes. Good deal.